What's up, everyone? It is TechWares, and today is April 4th, 2025. Now, I want to talk about Intel Arc Discrete Graphics. Now, I've been reading a lot of articles out there. Let me just go back here about Intel Arc Celestial or just Intel Arc and the future of Intel Arc. And just the future of, Intel in the discrete graphics space. And I read the comments, I read the articles, and I've been making videos on Intel Arc for a few months now, maybe over a year, and they're some of my most popular videos. Now, I'm just a nobody on YouTube. I just like to make content for fun. My channel was actually recently monetized, so I'm really thankful for that. It's pretty cool just to have a channel monetized. Not that I'm making like a lot of money, but I do it for fun, and if I earn a couple dollars, that's pretty cool. But anyways, I digress. The future of Intel Arc. Well, they say that if you want to see what a company like Intel or AMD or NVIDIA is focusing on for the future, you have to look at their hiring patterns. So, companies like Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, they often give subtle hints about their future directions, right, through their hiring patterns. For instance, if you keep an eye out on the roles they're actively recruiting for, it can reveal where they're focusing their resources and innovation efforts. And recently, I noticed that Intel has been hiring for discrete graphics roles within the past, I would say, 30 days, but more so within the past 2 to 3 weeks. So this points to their ongoing investment, of course, in the discrete graphics technology, and their push to compete in the GPU market alongside major players like, of course, AMD and NVIDIA. And I'm going to show you a couple of screenshots here. It's gonna be like a pretty good hint on the future of Arc. These developments could definitely signal exciting advancements in gaming, AI, or other visual computing technologies. So tracking hiring trends is a clever way to kind of stay ahead of the curve and decode a company's strategic priorities. We know Intel got a new CEO, Lip-Bu Tan. He was appointed the Intel CEO on March 18th. All right, so that's like 3 weeks ago or something like that, 2 weeks ago. So now I'm going to show you some hints. Check this out. This was posted 2 months ago from an Intel employee, Kenny. And Kenny said this 2 months ago. Intel's second generation discrete graphics, aka Battlemage, has received strong market feedback. So Intel knows that Battlemage got strong market feedback. They know this. The team knows this. So that's great. He then says, however, we're shooting for much, much higher. We know that if we want to achieve our goals, people is the only thing that matters. If you want to do something fun, grow your career, and make a difference, please consider joining our Discrete Graphics SoC organization. We have quite a few openings now and upcoming in virtually all SoC disciplines. I'll keep updating this thread opportunistically. He then says, please apply to jobs directly. I'm afraid I cannot guarantee reading resumes sent to my LinkedIn. PCIe post SI validation lead. These are just the two roles that he listed. when he wrote this this post 2 months ago. Now this is 2 weeks ago. Remember, this is 2 months ago from today. All right, because I got this information today. So this is 2 months ago as of April 4th. And this is 2 weeks ago as of April 4th, 2025, today. So he then says, this is 2 weeks ago, following my previous post regarding openings in Intel's discrete graphics engineering, verification, emulation, post-SI validation, please see below. And then he listed a bunch of openings, the US, India, and yeah, so on. He says, if you're interested, please directly apply. Now, who's Kenny? Kenny is the Senior Director, SoC Design Engineering, responsible for verification and validation of Intel's discrete GPU SoCs. All right. And then I've seen this as well. This post, not from Kenny, but from somebody else that hires for Intel. We have an exciting full-time opportunity at Intel for GPU validation engineer, post-silicon validation with PCIe Gen 4/5. So, Battlemage, the current Battlemage, ARC B580, doesn't use PCIe 5. Now they could be talking about mobile. They could be talking about laptops. Laptops use PCIe Gen technology as well. So that's just something to think about. And yeah, this was 3 weeks ago, and it seems like it's no longer accepting applications. Maybe they found a role. Maybe the role was filled. However, never mind all this. This is the most interesting post. This is from 2 months ago, where Kenny says, we are shooting for much higher after Battlemage. So celestial discrete graphics cards are coming, guys. They're coming. You know, they might not come as quick as we like them to come, but they're coming. Intel is hiring for them. They're hiring for roles in the discrete graphics space at the company. So like I said earlier, take a look at Intel's job openings. You can do this yourself. It's all available online, guys. This is not like a leak or like a rumor or anything. I'm just reading what's online, and I'm just pretty much speculating. And I might be right. Honestly, I might be right. So yeah, ARC Celestial Discrete Graphics is coming, guys. It's coming. So yeah, we're gonna stay tuned and see what happens. We know that Panther Lake, which uses Xe3, that's Celestial. So Xe3 architecture is going to be called Celestial Discrete Graphics, or Xe3 HPG, or they might even call it Xe3p, because there's rumors and that it's going to use Intel's 18A processor. So Xe3 HPG built on Intel 18A will be called Xe3p HPG. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Pretty much this video just about this post from Kenny, which is interesting, from 2 months ago, and then this followed by this post from 2 weeks ago, you know, saying we have more job openings. Please apply. Anyways, this videos are already long enough. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys have an Alchemist card, an ARC A series card? Do you guys have an ARC B series cards? Do you guys have NVIDIA Intel or NVIDIA or AMD? Are you guys just waiting to see what Intel does with discrete graphics? Maybe you're waiting for Celestial C series cards. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. Take care, everyone. Peace.